They don't quit because they're weak. They don't quit because they're lazy. They quit because they never saw it coming. This is Derailed, 14 Reasons Traders Quit Before They Win, a 7-part series from Mission Winners. Each episode tackles 2 derailments, the hidden forces that knock traders off track before they ever get a chance to win. Watch closely, you'll see yourself in these.
You can pick great stocks, you can time the entries, but if you don't know how you're going to sell, you're not really trading, you're just lighting matches and hoping they don't burn. Hey everyone, Pat Walker here with Mission Winners. We're now in episode 5 of Derailed, and we're getting deeper into the habits and hidden decisions that quietly destroy performance. So far we've covered chasing, averaging down, trading without a plan, oversizing, ignoring risk, bailing too early, and if you've seen yourself in any of those, good. That means you're paying attention. That means you've still got time to adjust. Because this journey isn't about perfection. It's about staying in the game long enough to get good. Let's dive into derailments 9 and 10, 2 habits that look innocent at first, but absolutely gut traders once they're in the market. No selling strategy and chasing hot stocks. Derailment 9, no selling strategy. Let's start with the one nobody wants to think about. The exit. Most traders obsess over when to get in, but the real damage comes from not knowing when to get out. I've seen it too many times. Someone nails the entry, clean chart, solid volume, and then nothing. No plan, no structure, just hope. They tell themselves, I'll sell if it drops a little. I'll take profits when it feels right. Or worse, they start watching every tick like it's a vote on their intelligence. Hope is not a strategy. Emotion is not a system. And watching your P&L all day will drive you insane. You need to know, before you enter, where you're going to take partials, where you'll trail your stop, and where you'll be out completely if it doesn't work. Without that, you're not managing a trade. You're babysitting a mess. We teach a specific method for this at Mission Winners. We let price and volume guide our entries, and we let moving averages help guide our exits. Sometimes we sell into strength, sometimes we ride the trend, but it's always based on price, not panic. Because a great entry with no exit strategy, that's just a ticking time bomb. Derailment 10, chasing hot stocks. Now let's flip to another killer, chasing the flavor of the week. We all see it, the stock that's up 50% in 2 days, it's everywhere. Twitter's lit up, chat rooms are buzzing, headlines are screaming. And you start to think, man, I've got to get in on this. But here's the truth. If it's already obvious, it's probably already over. Traders chase hot stocks because they want the shortcut. They don't want to wait for the base. They don't want to do the screening. They just want the action. But chasing heat will burn you every time. Stocks that are extended on the chart are also extended on emotion. And when they reverse, they don't politely correct. They collapse. You want to know where real pros focus? Quiet strength, clean bases, leadership that's coiled and ready, not already gone. At Mission Winners, we don't chase heat. We watch for setup. If it's not in a base, we don't touch it. If the volume doesn't confirm it, we wait. Because trading isn't about excitement, it's about consistency. These 2 derailments, no selling strategy and chasing hot stocks, look nothing alike. But they share one thing, a lack of structure. When you don't have a clear plan, you fall back on emotion. You sell too early or too late. You jump into hype or freeze when it counts. If you want to build real skill, real conviction, and real results, you need a system that removes the noise. That's what we do at Mission Winners. We teach clean setups, controlled risk, and rule-based exits. Because the goal isn't just to win, it's to keep winning. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. We've still got 2 more episodes to go. And trust me, it gets even more real from here.